Question 6. Write balanced chemical equation for the following processes. Uh, First, when XeF2 undergoes hydrolysis. So its equation is 2XeF2 solid plus 2H2O liquid gives 2Xe gas plus HF aqueous plus oxygen gas. And second one, MnO2 is heated with concentrated HCl. It gives MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. Or second question is, arrange the following in the order of property indicated for each set. First one in increasing order of their acidic character. So their order is H2O less than H2S less than H2SE less than H2TE. And decreasing bond empathy, HF greater than HCl greater than HBr greater than HI.